Spring on the sea ice is still a great time for polar bears. This young male is well fed. And after a long, dark winter, it's time to catch up with a friend. Male polar bears can forge long-lasting friendships. The leftover bit from an old seal kill is perfect for a bout of tug-of-war. Play fighting helps these buddies build strength and sharpen reflexes. Real fights between bears can be deadly, so it's best to train up with a friend first. Ultimately, bears are solitary animals, though they will almost certainly cross paths again. But for now, our young bear goes off on his own, in search of his next meal, while there's still sea ice to stand on.